I married to US citizen, right? And I filed I-130 and I-485, and it's been like 2 years. My I-130 is approved like 4 months ago. I have I-485. They asked me medical exam, right? So I submitted my medical. It's been like more than 3 months now. I'm still waiting. Like, what can I do?
How long has your I-485 been pending?
We filed it almost 2 years.
Who's sponsoring you again? I missed that first part.
Yeah, my spouse.
Your spouse. And you went on no interview yet?
No, we had an interview.
When was the interview?
Interview ago, like almost 1 year ago.
Okay. And tell me what happened at the interview. Did they question the bona fides of your marriage? What happened at the interview?
They asked about all the questions and they did a stroke interview also.
And do you have children with your spouse?
Yeah, 2.
Okay. Well, you have a bona fide marriage. You have 2 children with your spouse. I wasn't part of that interview, but if your adjustment's been pending now for 2 years, the Immigration Service has to make a decision on your case. And when they make no decision, that's the same as denying you because you don't have a green card. So if they keep your case pending forever, that's as good as a denial because you don't have a green card in your hand. So the law says they have to make a decision within a reasonable amount of time. Why do they have to make a decision within a reasonable amount of time? Because you are considered an immediate relative. Immediate relative is immediately eligible for a green card. And you're not waiting 2 years. Nobody would ever say waiting 2 years for a green card and 1 year after an interview is immediate. So they have something in the law called a mandamus. And what a mandamus is, it's a lawsuit against the federal government to force them to make a decision. Usually you think of suing the government, you say, I want money. Government's going to pay me money. You're not suing them for money. You're suing them for a green card. So you're going into a federal court and you're saying to a federal judge, say, Judge, my rights are being violated because I have a right to a decision on my adjustment of status case and they haven't done it. Now, generally, when you go into federal court and you hire a lawyer to go do it, it's big money. So what we do for our clients is we do something called a pre-litigation mandamus, where we put the entire litigation package together and we send it to the head of the Immigration Service in the U.S. Attorney's Office. And we say, hey, we are prepared to go to court. We don't want to go to court. I assume you don't want to go to court too, but we're prepared because here's the whole litigation package. You can have 2 choices. You can either make a decision on this case in the next 2 or 3 weeks, or we'll see you in court. And usually we get a call and say, wait. I would say 95% of the time or more. Don't do anything. Give us a month. We'll make a decision. And so we found that works a lot. And in this particular case, I think you're going to need to do that because waiting 2 years is unreasonable. You have 2 children with your wife. Unless there's something in your background that I'm not aware of, you're entitled to your green card. So hold on 1 second, okay?